you can see this is my field of Cespedula, and you know what is Cespedula? Just I'm show you. This is the Cespedula. We can say, you know, the English name of this. We can in Hindi we say Parwal, and this the name of this in English we are calling Cespedula. So this is our field. We can say entry side. I am entry from this side, and just I'm going. And this type of, we can say, my father is doing as a business, or we can say whatever I'm speaking right now, because this is my vlog, so I think I'm mistaking lots of things, so sorry for that. If taking, definitely it will easily improve our, we can say, skill. So hi all of you, how are you? I think all of you are great and fine. I think you have seen that I come in this my field. I show you this field, Cespedula. So you can see I'm just going from the ending side of this field. So I show you, we can say, you can see this is our field, and ending point, we can say, I'm going. And I told you right now that's this is about to 1 acre approx. And in this field my father is doing about like this business on season. And I think now when this field is just about to complete, then my father will take then do about bananas, we can say, as a business. And you know about this, we can say this is Cespedula, and we say this is the Hindi name of this. We can say that's Parwal, and this the name of Hindi is English word is we can say Cespedula. I think manybody never listen about this word. I think many one listen also, we can say. So I come about this field, and you can see all around this field. You can see surrounding also about this field. There is also, we can say, variety of variety of many fruits, or we can say many vegetables, many, we can say, many one we're doing different. So this is the end of this field, and you can see I'm just showing you. And in the next field, here is, we can say, who doing other, we can say this, who work in jute. So this is the jute field, this is the jute field, you can see. And if you don't mind, that's whatever I'm speaking right now, because this is my vlog, so I think I'm mistaking lots of things, so sorry for that if I'm doing any mistake. And actually when we doing continuously making vlog, and gradually our whatever I'm mistaking, definitely it will easily improve our, we can say, skill. So don't, sorry for that whatever I'm mistaking. So it is to be, we can say, amazing, which I am very curious to making a vlog in English conversation, because many other co-learner or many student who wants in English, because who very interested in English learning. So that's why I'm making a English video type. So that's why. And we can say my father, I'm told you that's my father as a businessman, we can say, doing like this work. And you can see this is a Cespedula. This is, we are speaking in Hindi, that is Parwal. In a weekly we can say it is about to 750 kg we just come out from this field in a weekly. You can understand in this way, we can say. So these are all the things which my father is doing, working. And also in a weekly there is also many chemical, we can say, uses for this, we can say, field of this Cespedula, which can fertile appropriately, which can give fruit, we can say, weekly wise. So you can see this is like a chemical which is used in this field. And this is another also chemical is also used in this chemical. This is a medicine of this plant which is to be used. And you see, and you can see the size of this Cespedula is too short, but actually this is the, we can say, hybrid. So that's why it is to be a different quality of this. And some other Cespedula are bigger or longer size, some are, we can say, small size. So I'm just going, we can say, in front of entry side. You can see this is the entry side which I am going. So I'm going another field, I will show you other bananas. And I am trying to show you all the things. So I think many one who are interested in English blog, so many one who want to learn English, who want to improve their English, so that's why they are really interested. So that's why I'm making, and I want that so anyone can learn English easily, I think. So I meet you another we can say field. So wait for it. I see you. As you can see, I'm just going to that field. So I will show you. So you can see, just I'm going, just I will show you all the things. So no any problem. Just I'm going, just I am about to approach in this field, so I just I show you the point. I don't understand, and just you can see, just I am approach to that my field. I will show you. Okay? Just and you can see this is my field. This is the banana. So I will show you. Just I am about to approach in my field. So this is you can say. So I have approached another field. So I'm going to my another field of the banana. So I'm come here to take banana, I think. So we can see this is our we can say bananas field. So you can see this is also we can say 1 acre, this bananas field which I am about to going. So I will see grass. This is the field of also banana, where the grass is to be high, and chemical is used in this grass, which can easily be, you can see it is, you can see this is the our bananas field. I show you already, and this is to be, you can see it is to be sun is to be fall, it is to be evening time, you can say. So I'm making on daily basis, so just you take interested in this video. I'm just making, and you can easily learn many things else from video, how they recognizing, and who are interested in learning English. So also you can take very interested to watching this kind of video. So I'm making video in English, conversation in English mode, for because many one very interested in English learning. So that's why I'm making as a English blog. And also in this video I'm also making as a how to practice English. So in that way I'm also uploading a video, and just I'm making a blog type because many one can easily recognize that how I can speak English easily. So I'm just trying to make as a blog, so anyone can take an interested in this blog, and they can easily recognize words on daily basis were spoken sentences. So that's why I'm choosing, and I'm making a blog so many one can easily understand. And so thank you for watching this video. I will connect